Hi, today I thought I'd share a tip that I use often in my job. And at the end, I'm going to share something I didn't know that I wished I'd have known and probably only learned a year ago. I do not know if this is a new feature or if it's always been there, but it's something you need to know. So I have a simple little table there, but the reality is in our work, we often have thousands of lines of data. So we want to know information like the sum of something, the max, the min, the average, whatever it is. And normally you have to enter formulas to accomplish that. But other times we just want to do a quick check, maybe on all the data or a subset of it, just to double check what those numbers are, or even to double check whether our formulas are working correctly. So in order to do that, we can look to our status bar and I will show you how. So I want to look at all my data in this sales column here. To do that, because this is in a table format, I hit Control Space Bar to highlight all of the numbers. And then I look at the bottom of my screen and there's a little status bar where I get the average of those numbers, the count of how many numbers are there, and the sum of those. Now you can customize this bar to include other statistics like minimum and maximum. So if I select those, I can see that the min and max are now there. Now this is the piece I didn't know. I used to handwrite those numbers down, whatever it was I needed, onto a piece of paper or type them into my spreadsheet. You don't need to do that. I didn't know. So if I want to get that number really quick, I can left click on sum, for example. That copies it to the clipboard and then I can paste it right into my spreadsheet. If I want to do that again and I want to pull out the max number, I right or left click and I paste it there, and I paste using Control V. How cool is that? Anyway, did you know about that, or was I the only person who didn't know? For more tips and tricks, follow me and let's accelerate your business together.